Hello everyone, my name is Krishna and today I'm going to explain my JavaScript Quiz application. This project is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It is an interactive quiz where user can uh, answer multiple choice questions. Mm, a countdown timer for each question, track this their progress with a progress bar and view their final score at the end. So I will show you my code. So this is my code. Now I explain my code. Before explaining the code, let me show you the main features of this project. First is start quiz button, multiple choice questions, one answer selection per questions, a countdown timer, progress bar, next question button, final score screen, and restart quiz option. So first is array like this. So first I create an array called questions. Each element inside this array is an object. Every object contains three properties: question, option, and answer. And then variables. Uh, these are variables: current question, score, select answer, timer, and interval. So next is after that I selected all the requirement HTML element using DOM document get element by ID. This allows JavaScript to access and update elements like the start button, question, text, options, progress bar, timer, and result screen. And after that, event listener. This here I attach a click event to the start button. When the user click the start button to start quiz, function is executed, and after that, start function inside the start quiz uh, function. I reset all the quiz variable. The score becomes 0. The correct question is set to the first questions. Any previously selected answer is cleared, and after that, show question. This this is a show question function. So this is a one of the most important function is in the project. And first it's remove the previous options from the screen, and then it's reset the selected answer, and next it's update the questions number and display the correct question, and uh, next is select answer. So this is select answer. This function is called whenever the user click an option. First, it's check whether an answer has already been selected. If yes, it's immediately returned, so the user cannot select another option. This is disable all the options using pointer events none. And after that, it's compare the selected answer with the correct answer. So this is my select answer function. So next is the next button function. So this is next question function. So the next button moves the quiz to the next question. Before moving forward, it's check whether the user has selected an answer. If no answer is selected, it's display an alert message. Otherwise, it's increased the questions number. If there are more questions, it display the next one. Otherwise, it show the final result. So after that, this is progress bar function. So the progress bar show how much of the quiz has been completed. I calculate the progress using this formula format. Current question divided by total questions multiplied by 100, and then I updated the width of the progress bar dynamically. So after that, a timer function. So every question has its own countdown timer. First, I stop any previous timer using clearInterval. Then I reset the interval value. Next, I use setInterval to decrease the timer every second. Mm, when the timer reaches zero, the correct question is skipped automatically. The next question is display. So after that, this is a result screen. So the last question, the timer is stopped, the quiz screen is hiding, and the result screen is display, then show the user final score. So based on the score, I display different performance messages such as a perfect score, excellent, good job, keep practicing. So after that, it is uh, show result. So after that, this is a restart quiz function. So finally, I added a restart button. It's reset all the variable clear. The progress bar hides the result screen and bring the user back to the start screen, so the quiz can be played again. So this is my code. This is my all code. So I hope you understand all the code. So I will show you my project. So this is my quiz master application website. Test your JavaScript knowledge and become a quiz champion. So let's go. We will do some questions like this. What does HTML stand for hypertext markup language? So this is a timer, and this is a question. If we are not selected the question, so it is replace next question. So which language make a website interact? So like this, which keyword is using declared a variable let. So if we select wrong option, so it's like a, coloring red, and he gives answer right answer in a on a green color. So which method print data, which event occurs when a button is clicked. So this is like so this is my project, and I will show you last step this project. Uh, yeah, this is a scoreboard. Um, 3 out of 10. Keep practicing. So if we want to restart the quiz, so we restart like that. So so this is my project, guys, and I hope you well understand this project. So thank you.